Good day to you, everybody. Today, I'm just going to chat to you quickly about stainless steel geysers. Why would one want one? And why does Mike Addison from Addison love them? Okay, so before I tell you why I like them so much and giving you all the benefits that I see, just a little bit of history. So about 5 years ago, I was introduced in Johannesburg to a company called Waterlight, which is now working quite a lot with the industry as 0861 Waterlight. But I met Waterlight, who are a solar company producing or manufacturing stainless steel geysers. And they also have or had an electric geyser, which the managing agent introduced me to as being stainless steel and longer lasting. Well, what a no-brainer. I needed to see this. I needed to meet these people. And ever since then, we've certainly been pushing the product. That was some 5 years ago or longer. And we're having some huge successes with it. You can see more about those successes with the stainless steel via Waterlight. There are other suppliers, I understand. So, by all means, the market is there for you to choose from. I've just been working with Waterlight. They came towards us. We came towards them. And we've been working quite nicely with the industry with them. So have a look at some of our other videos about this, and you'll see where we're coming from. There's lots and lots of stuff on this very video channel. Okay, so let's get on with it. Okay. So the question is, why does Mike Addison at Addison like a stainless steel geyser? And here's why. Well, first of all, it's almost obvious. Would you like to stir your coffee or your hot water with a nice stainless steel spoon? Okay. Or would you like to stir your coffee with a rusty old nail? Okay, would you like to have a shower from an old rust bucket, or would you prefer the hot water to come from a more clinical stainless steel container? Okay, so I don't need to actually explain more than that. That would be a preference. I would personally prefer my hot water to come from a stainless steel object. Okay, I would know that generally. Doesn't mean to say everything in there is clean, because a lot of stuff lands up at the bottom of a geyser. Silts up and so on and so on, but still rather stainless steel for me than a rust bucket, okay, or any other type of product, quite honestly. Okay, so that would be my first reason. Okay, and then of course there are various other reasons why I like it from a risk and insurance point of view. Okay, so first of all, it's usually more longer lasting. Okay, so a stainless steel object, I mean, this teaspoon, and many in my drawer at least, are older than me. They're older than 60 years old. In fact, I've got a set of teaspoons that are 62 years old. They look brand new. Okay, so that's stainless steel. 444 stainless steel, which most of these geysers are made of, are long lasting. That's point one. That's why I like them. Okay, and therefore they come with a 10-year warranty. Okay, so I like a geyser that comes with a 10-year warranty, as long as the geyser lasts that long. And if it doesn't, then the manufacturer must come and give you another one. But actually, a stainless steel geyser will probably last 25, 30 years. If what I'm told is correct. It depends on the seam and how quality the welding was, but a 10-year warranty for a stainless steel geyser is great. Now, isn't that better than the 5-year warranties or some of the 3 years that I've seen in the past? A 5-year warranty, 10-year warranty to me just sounds like a better idea. Sounds like a no-brainer to me. A stainless steel geyser does not need an anode. Huh? Has your geyser got an anode? Have you changed it? No, you didn't bother. Did it all fall to bits and pieces at the bottom of your geyser, and your geyser still popped then after 5 or 6 years? Well, stainless steel geysers have no anode. None of those bits and pieces will ever drop because they don't have an anode. They don't need one. Okay, And what does that mean? It means that your geyser is therefore maintenance free as far as the anode goes. You don't need to, and that quite honestly was one of the only regular maintenance things that you can do to a geyser. But of course, stainless steel, maintenance free as far as the anode goes. Okay, so it's corrosion free maintenance. Not only that, but it's easier to actually replace other parts. For example, a stainless steel screw in, or where the all of the screwing mechanisms are, they're stainless steel. They don't rust. You go and try and change something on a 5-year-old geyser that's all rusted. It's okay. So stainless steel, nice and easy, corrosion free to maintain where you need to, for example, when it comes to a thermostat and so on. Okay, energy efficiency goes without saying that a stainless steel, Class B stainless steel geyser with everything right would be more energy efficient if the quality is there. The one that I'm thinking of is high quality and therefore more energy efficient in savings. Lower insurance claim ratio. So a longer lasting stainless steel geyser should ultimately give you a lower claims ratio. If you're only replacing them every 30 years, what a bargain. Maybe you don't need to insure them. If all of your geysers are stainless steel with 10-year warranties, you don't need to insure them for 10 years. Think about it. Okay. Resulting damage risks are also lower. I mean, if you've got a stainless steel geyser in your ceiling and it's unlikely to dispense a whole lot of water as a result of its bursting at the seams, well, you're going to have less resultant damage claims as well. And your favorite stamp collection is not going to get messed up so often. Okay, so there we go. And then, of course, the part that I really like is that over the past 3-4 years or so, the insurance companies that we work with are certainly been buying into the stainless steel geyser concept. And although the stainless steel geyser costs a little bit more than your standard geyser, and in some cases the same, depends on how much your plumber is charging you to install, the insurance companies are very often charging very little extra premium, as opposed to sometimes no premium increase at all. It all depends on your current claims ratio and how we are able to structure something for you. Just for example, just in the last week, I did one, I was quoted on one large scheme. It's about 300 units in the scheme, and it's going to cost an extra 8 Rand per geyser to increase their that's their premium cost, so that they can go stainless steel. But not only that, they're going to get a much lower excess. The excess will drop from about, I think it's 2,000 or more, right down to 500 Rand. Okay, so the insurance company are really trying to encourage this sort of mitigation. In another case, I've got another policy running with CIB, where CIB are going to be doing that with no increased premium, but a stainless steel geyser. No brainer. I would much rather have stainless steel than a rust bucket. Yeah, here we go. That's my reasoning. Take it or leave it. Honestly, I still can't find any reason why you wouldn't want a stainless steel geyser. No brainer. Okay, so don't forget, please like this video, share this video, and by all means, please subscribe, hit the bell, or do whatever you need to do, but put the video out there. I'm doing these videos for everybody's benefit. And of course, how do I gain from the benefit? The more it goes out there, the more I'm encouraged to make more. So keep it out there, subscribe, and then you get notified of when I do another one. I'm trying to do these regularly, once a week or once every 2 weeks. You should be seeing something pop up on our YouTube channel. See you again. Thank you.